So the question will be, if we're saying that the solution to that problem we had was virtualization then, and I said that virtualization is just making sure that we create the software version of these hardware components so that we have some level of computing system within our computer. And we're saying that how do we create virtual machines? In order for us to create a virtual machine, we need what we refer to as a hypervisor. So a hypervisor is that software. It's just a software that helps you to say that, oh, since you have, say, 1 TB of hard disk, and then maybe 64 GB of RAM, the hypervisor is that guy who has that knife to say that, okay, if you instruct me, this is the hypervisor talking. If you instruct me, I will be able to go into your hard disk and then just allocate only 5 GB and then only 16 GB for your RAM. And then I'll make sure we use it to create a new box, which we refer to it as a virtual machine. And you can install a new operating system on there. And this will become like a new computer within this big box. And so that hypervisor is that guy that creates that abstraction. It helps create that abstraction and also make sure that be able to manage the hardware resources that comes with your computer, so that if you say you've allocated 5 GB, that 5 GB can only be used for that particular virtual machine, and it will not interlap, or there will be that isolation. So there's no way the VM for database would come back and use the resources that are allocated for this guy cannot be used by this guy, because the hypervisor will sit in the middle and make sure that it gives the opportunity for them to get the hardware resources, but then it shouldn't interlap